Last time, you burned up the tires before I could drive.
This time we need another excuse.
Yeah, now it's just you driving, simply without burning the tires.
Then we say we just don't have enough charge and I need to go home.
Ah, yeah, exactly.
Which is actually true.
It is actually true. Yeah, exactly. So, quick intro. We are at Destination Nürburgring track day, and all of a sudden, Goran pulls up with the Nevera, and yeah, it would be rude not to do a lap. The car is on PS4S tires, but more importantly, I mean, he has to drive home in a bit, so we need to take it easy. And I mean, the car has proven what it needs to prove 2 years ago by grabbing overall lap record for its production EV. So maybe we can do a couple of straight pulls. Anyway, let's hop in the car and 412 kilometers. We have a long straight. I mean, technically, nah, it needs to go home. It needs to go home. Look, jacket in the back, just vibes, pure vibes.
Jump the curb, still need to drive home.
Yeah. Good pulls.
Nice, yeah.
And that's just on PS4Ss.
Yes.
That's really impressive.
Traction is really not an issue with the 4S on a straight line.
Yeah.
There was some kind of an oil spill here, I think.
Yeah, here is tire wall fixing. Just see construction works.
Yeah.
So no passing.
Quite a cool GT, huh?
Yeah, it is. Insane.
This is like 20% traffic out here.
Yeah. Handles very nice through the tight turns.
Yes, it's compact and compact.
Yeah.
Want to see us?
Yeah.
The car is really in a soft setting like GT car like,
Yeah.
but still handles well because of the chassis stiffness.
Yes, and a torque factory.
Yeah.
That's insane. That's really, I'm really impressed. Very good.
car, no full throttle.
No, no, please no.
That's a first for me even.
What's the tire pressure you're running on this car?
It's pretty high. Because of the standard tires, standard pressures, we are now on 3 bars almost.
3 bar, yeah, that's what I thought.
It's quite a bit different when you go full throttle.
Yeah.
They move by 100 meters.
Yes.
Because, for example, here, if you go full throttle, you see the speed you build up. You can go almost 220 here, probably.
Yeah. Amazed by the chassis feedback.
Yeah,
because the tires are fighting for its life, but it's still controllable.
Yeah, I think the chassis has a lot of potential. If this wasn't the GT car, you do a dedicated track suspension with the dedicated track tires, etc. This would be a beast.
Yeah. Yes. Can we hit 300 before the exit? Yeah. Insane.
Let's do one cool down lap before, and then I need to plug it on the charger.
Sounds good.
I would need some range to get home.
Yeah. What's the range now on this? It's like,
if you drive really like normal 130, 140 highway, you could do up to 500.
okay.
But if you're like me and you like the Autobahn, then it's around 300, 320, while like going 180, 200.
What's the fastest charging on Ionity you can get? Like
Actually, it's here on T13. Now I charge with 400 kilowatts.
400, nice.
Yes. You get it basically in 20-25 minutes. You get it full.
Okay.
It's completely empty, but you usually charge from 20 to 90%.
To 90 is like
On Ionic, it's like 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Tops.
That's cool. Amazing. Thank you so much.
No worries.
It was lots of fun. The car is freaking capable. Like I said, it's just GT. We're cruising. We're
Yeah.
vibing. If it was not for YouTube, we would be listening to music. Yeah, no. I mean, it would be great to do some Dino Merlin, but
Yeah. Well, next time you write me your music wishes before, and I'll do a playlist.
sounds good. Sounds good. No, I really loved it.
So next time we do it with the Nevera R and the cup tires.
Yeah. Yeah. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share, and that kind of stuff.